Monitoring via PM2 module. And so let's look at monitoring our processes through PM2. First we need to create an account and create a project in PM2. Let's follow the link and do it. We create a bucket. Now copy the URL and paste it into the configuration file. Great, let's go to the service and log in. We can see the connection instructions. Let's go to the Docker contribution. As you can see, we need to specify the keys in the Docker file. Let's do it. Let's copy these values and paste them into the global configuration file. Let's remember what we are passing from the global file to the Docker file. It is from the Docker file that these keys will get into the container and can be used. Before checking, we need to rebuild the container. Let's do it. Let's go to the README and remember the console command for the rebuild. Let's connect the general to monitoring. Let's go to the admin panel and see that the monitoring has successfully connected. The admin sidebar is located along the way. Backend/views/layouts/include/sidebar left.php. Here you can change and add elements to the sidebar navigation. Please note that the template includes HTML, which is along the way, backend/web/themes/example/index.html. For homework, check out the Bootstrap template for yourself. You can easily connect any style of this template, which is created on Bootstrap 4.